Scripting to manifest anything fast using the letter method. This method really works. It's extremely effective, and I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Success Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. And we are always flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. That's what this channel is about, your dreams and your goals. So we're going to talk today a little bit about scripting, but first I want to remind you to claim your 30 minutes of miracle mentoring and alchemy success coaching. Find out what a mentoring program can mean for your life. Visit us at lawofattractionsolutions.com. Scripting is a powerful tool. There's been all kinds of studies that have indicated that when people write down their goals, when they codify them and solidify them in writing, that they are more likely to achieve what they desire. But there's even perhaps a deeper explanation why scripting is so powerful. And that is, it awakens your subconscious mind, which is the connecting link to the infinite field of unlimited potential, the universe. Personally, I've used this method to manifest several new cars, a big, beautiful home with a swimming pool and a big backyard and a balcony and all kinds of amenities. I've used this method to manifest my relationship. I've even used this letter method to manifest my little boy. So you can manifest just about anything. So why does this letter method, writing a letter as a form of scripting, why does it work so effectively? Why is it so powerful in helping you get what you want? Number one, it helps you zero in on what you desire. A lot of times our desires are kind of vague and they're kind of cloudy. But when you zero in and know exactly what you desire, the universe has a clear picture of it and can match it for you or upgrade it. High flyers, the next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to reread this letter that you're going to write, and you're going to reread it for 28 days, what we call a full lunar cycle. And by rereading it every day, in the morning, when you first wake up, and in the evening when you go to bed at night. By rereading this letter, you are reprogramming your subconscious mind, and you're getting the totality of your mind working in harmony. You see, your consciousness is only 8%. So you need more than 8% to manifest. You need your total mind, your subconscious and your conscious working in alignment. High flyers, this is extremely important to read your scripting letter in the morning and the evening, because what you believe right here in your conscious mind and your subconscious is what you will achieve. So high flyers, by using this letter method of scripting, you are creating yourself to be a vibrational match to what it is that you desire to manifest. So high flyers, I promised you a step-by-step guide. Here it is. Number one, get yourself a nice scripting book, something that you can be proud of. You know, I've seen people write this stuff down on napkins and all kinds of stuff, and it works. But I like a nice scripting book. That makes sense. So step number two is to understand that there are really two versions of you. There's the you that you currently are, and there's the highest version of yourself. What people would say the higher self, the you that is in a perfected state. I want you to write a letter to the higher version of yourself. So if your name was Robert, you'd say, Dear Robert. Write the letter in present tense. Dear Robert, I am so grateful for all the abundance that has been flowing into my life from the universe. I am so grateful for my new home with a 2-car garage and a swimming pool. I am absolutely thrilled about my relationship and the love. See, what I want to do, high flyers, I just don't want to talk about what I desire to manifest. I want to include feelings in my description. So when I say I am so excited about my new relationship, it makes me feel so wonderful and secure and happy to know that I'm loved and cared about. Remember, you're not writing about the 3D world as it is. You're writing about the world that you are creating. Get clear on all the areas of your life. Maybe the only thing you're interested in is finances. Maybe the only thing you're interested in is a relationship. But I want you to write this letter in such a way that it's holistic. It covers all the major areas of your life. This is a letter to your higher self, and you are expressing wonder and gratitude and happiness for the new life that you have created together. So you might write about your finances and then a paragraph about your relationship. You might also write a paragraph about your health and your energy and your vitality. Maybe a paragraph about your career. Maybe a paragraph about your spiritual path. All of these are relevant areas that you might want to script about. But remember, you're not writing it to the 3D world. I'm not writing it to Robert in the 3D. I'm writing it to Robert in the quantum world, where anything is possible. Everything is possible, where miracles take place. The 5D world. High flyers, put as much emotion into this as possible. Write down how good you feel driving your new car and how you love letting the top go down and the wind blow through your hair, or whatever it is that you're doing, whatever it is you're focused on. This is your journey, but write it to yourself, your higher self, and trust that that higher version of you, the part of you that is not limited to the 3D world, the constructs of the 3D world, that part of you has the ability to help you manifest anything and everything you desire because it has no boundaries. It has no limits. Look, you deserve the life that you desire. And it's as simple as writing a letter to yourself and then reading it twice a day for 28 days. I look forward to reading your results right down below. Now, you have a good day, and here's some other videos to help you on your journey.